Easy way to make $1,000 a day online for free, fast. Are you looking for a quick and easy way to earn a lot of money online? Please stop talking now. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process for taking articles from Google, paraphrasing them, and selling them to a new website for a substantial profit. The best part is that you may get started without any prior experience or technical knowledge. So if you're sick of living paycheck to paycheck and want to take charge of your financial destiny, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn. Let's first set you up on GoogleNews.com. If you've never used it, don't be concerned. It's really simple. All you have to do is visit the Google News website and type Google News into the search bar. Clicking on the first website that shows up will take you to the Google News homepage. As you can see, there are articles on this website covering a variety of subjects, such as business, entertainment, sports, and more. The best part is that we'll use these articles to make money. But don't worry, there won't be any challenging actions for you to take. To sell these articles to websites, all you have to do is copy them. How to do this properly will be demonstrated to you. At this point, you may be asking whether this strategy is genuinely profitable. It can be, without a doubt. How much money can you actually make by employing this technique? You can get up to $30 for each piece, and if you write just 4 each day, you can earn up to $100 or even more. Additionally, since Google News is continually adding news stories, you'll never run out of material to work with. Speaking of material, let's talk about where to discover the articles you'll be using, because we previously established that Google News has a variety of categories to pick from. Due to the frequently large number of articles available, we personally advise beginning with the health category. Simply scroll down the page and choose the article you want to read. This is where things start to get a bit complicated, because doing so would amount to plagiarism. You shouldn't just copy these articles and sell them as is. In order to make them distinctive, you must rework them. Don't worry though, we have a solution for that as well. To rewrite the articles, we'll utilize a bot that employs artificial intelligence. For us, all we need to do is type quillbot.com into the search bar and click the first result. Using just one button click, you may instantly rewrite your articles using quillbot.com on the page that this will direct you to. Before we move on, let me first illustrate how profitable this strategy might be. On websites like Fiverr and other freelance sites, people are successfully employing this technique to generate significant income. However, rest certain that we won't enter those websites because of the fierce rivalry and the fact that we won't compete there. The finest websites to use will be covered later in this session. You simply need to copy the content and paste it in this section, as we specified earlier, to finish the instruction. We will only recreate a little portion in order to show you how it works in this situation. Click the green Paraphrase button after you have pasted the article. Even though both pieces deal with the same topic, it won't take long for your new article to be ready. We will use the paraphrased article to produce revenue since they are now 2 different articles. You can repeat this process for all the other Google News stories. Additionally, you have the option to improve your content for a 100% ideal outcome. Even yet, if you can't afford the premium, the free version will still function perfectly. Now that we've reached this point, we'll show you 3 locations where you may sell these items and earn money. We'll show you not just 1, but 3 websites, giving you the chance to potentially treble your revenue. Our favorite, and the place where we were able to make a sizable sum of money, is the 3rd website, so pay attention to it. If you're still watching the video, please let us know which nation you're from in the comments section below. We want to reach people all around the world, so it would be interesting to know where our audience is from. Scripted.com, which has been online since 2006, is the first website we would like to introduce to you. You can utilize it with assurance. The best part about their website is that it accepts writers from all over the world. You'll notice that they have already worked with us on initiatives with some of the greatest businesses in the world, like LinkedIn, Adidas, and Adobe. For more information on how to start earning money with scripting, spend some time browsing their website and being familiar with what they provide. Instead, enter scripta.com into your search bar and click the link that says Become a Writer. With this, you'll be directed to a website where you may apply as a writer with Scripted. Because we wish to market our own material, please refrain from clicking the link to purchase articles. By completing the required fields, you'll be well on your road to becoming a scripted writer. Click Start Assessment after clicking Create Account. We'd like to present you to the second website, which is named iWriter.com. If iWriter isn't offered in your nation, we do nonetheless have another choice for you that will function internationally. You can see that they have already written over 8 million articles and posted over 4,000 stores on the iWriter website in the past 30 days. Just click the Become an iWriter Today button to sign up as a member and begin making money. You might not be able to submit to this website from every nation. Fill out the necessary information and you're ready to go if you need any extra assistance or clarification. However, feel free to post any inquiries in the comments. Our goal in creating this channel is to help beginners who are attempting to make money online, so you can count on us to be there for you every step of the way. The method we'll show you is the last and most successful approach to earn money by producing articles. This time, instead of using one specific website, we'll be contacting a number of other websites. Key terms into the search box first. Let's use terms like how to eat healthy and other health-related terms for our example. Choose a site and click it from the list of results. These websites often have content similar to that seen on Google News, and the majority of them employ writers to provide this content. Your goal is to get in touch with the owners of these websites and offer your writing services. Towards the bottom of the page, search for their contact information. There will be links to their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter pages on numerous websites. You can contact them through any of these methods, in addition to their email address. You should write a letter that quickly explains your history, your writing skills, and how you can help the website by delivering high-quality content. To use as a reference, you can take a screenshot of your message, but we suggest personalizing it to make it seem more genuine. This approach is more successful than using the other two websites, since you can get in touch with an endless number of different websites every day without having to worry about flooding them with submissions from other writers. I'll see you in my future video. Bye! We sincerely hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you did. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel and switch on notifications so you won't miss any future uploads. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in the next video.